Dirty Fisher here, y'all, with my boys. Open up some cars for y'all. We want to say our hays. Alright, y'all, let's turn this camera around. Let's open up some cars and have some fun. Yay. Alright. Alright, come here. Who wants to open them? Who wants to open the first one?
Me.
The first one's going to be a Honda S800 Racing. Come here. Come here, open it. Hurry, come on. Here, Trey, open it. Open it. Yeah, I see that, baby. I see that.
I found my car. I think I left my old car in here because I found it in the bucket. My old glow-in-the-dark car. Look, here's my glow-in-the-dark car. I found it in the bucket.
Alright, y'all, here goes the Honda.
We're taking turns. Owen gets to do
Alright, wait a second. Alright, well, that's on the turn, y'all. We're going to look at the Porsche 904 Carrera.
Owen gets to open that one. Each time I do it, Owen goes after me. Each time Owen does it, I go after Owen.
Here, hold it, baby. Put my hand. There we go.
Yeah, I put my glow-in-the-dark car on top of the LED.
Wait a second. Alright, y'all, check out the Porsche. Alright, y'all, well, that's on the turn. We're going to open up the 2016 Ford GT race.
Owen.
He's okay. Let him go over. Open it up, baby.
Okay, I'm opening the food.
Yeah, wait a second. Wait a second. You get to open it. Wait a second.
What one?
Alright, y'all, and check out the GT40.
This one.
Alright, here. Alright, y'all, that one's on the turn. Y'all, we're going to open up the 64 Chevrolet Chevelle SS.
Ooh.
Give me my hand. Thank you. Alright, y'all, check out the old hot rod. Old Chevelle. Well, that one's on the turn, y'all. We're going to open up the Batman Armaham Nightmobile. Batmobile. Come here, open it up, Trey. Open it up.
Batman.
Yeah, Batmobile.
I have that one.
Check this out, y'all. The old Batmobile. Alright, y'all. Well, that one's on the turner, y'all. We're going to open up the 67 Chevrolet C10.
I just opened up a car.
It's okay. Open up another one.
Number 3 racing car? All the trucks, all the cars you
Check
got,
down out, y'all.
all the cars you got
Old
today,
C10.
all the cars that you got today, racing cars?
Just about it. Alright, y'all. Up next is going to be the custom 72 Chevy Love. Here you go, Trey.
Yay!
Alright, y'all. Let's check this one out. Alright, y'all. Well, that one's on our turner, y'all. We're going to open up the 99 Ford F-150 SVT Lightning. Here you go, Trey.
I have my Mustang.
Yep, Mustang. Alright, y'all. And check the old Lightning out. Alright, y'all. That's going to be it for our little video right here. We're going to go here, turn and say our goodbyes. Come on, Owen. Baby. Come here. Come here, Owen. Owen, you want to be in it? Owen, come on, baby. Owen, come here. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Hurry. Alright, we're going to do it without you. Alright, y'all, that's going to be it for our video right here. We're going to say our goodbyes.
Bye.
Bye.
I got glow sticky.